Hey guys, welcome back to FastFix. In this video, we're going to show you the best tournament strategy on Monopoly Go. So first of all, here you just need to open your Monopoly Go app. And right here, all you need to do is when you join a event, here like here for example, so what you're going to do, don't play for a certain amount of time, so you just stay right here and you just look at the timer. So the event has a low time left. For example, there are only 2 to 3 hours left of the event, so that's when you want to join in this event. So you will notice that you will get paired with the people who have not played either. So what does it mean? So it means that you will find it easier to climb up the rank. So as you can see right here, you will easier get a higher rank right here to make a top 5 rank. So that's how you basically do that. You just stay right here and wait until the times left is 2 to 3 hours times left, and then you join this event, and then you will find that you will be grouped into people that you can easier win on the tournament. So that's how you basically win in tournament. So that is the best tournament strategy on Monopoly Go. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.